We are too blessed to be stressed as far as our weather's concerned here in the desert Southwest. Let's get started with your RV World of Yuma Sky Cam, just giving you a glimpse of the beautiful skies above the Yuma area and maybe a tiny bit of wind contention, not like what we've had in recent days for sure. Let's take a look at what we're seeing outside in regards to the satellite radar perspective. And as we put this thing into motion, you can see all that inclement weather pretty much confined pretty much just to the north of Arizona. We're talking about Nevada on into Utah, Colorado, and barely actually traipsing into the northern tier of Arizona. So for us, again, we're just getting the side blessing effect of that niceness. But we're going to have a change up for tomorrow. We got a wind advisory that's going to start at 3 p.m. Pacific time and go until 9 p.m. Pacific time, or actually a little bit later than that. It should actually extend into the following morning. So yes, the winds return yet again. Let's take a look at the wind speeds as they stand. Again, we have a little bit of huffing and puffing in the Colorado River corridor as well as the Imperial Valley, and that's about it. But we're going to turn it up as we get on into the coming days. But in the meantime, temperatures as they stand, we're talking about high-end 70s, if not low-end 80s, which is pretty close to where we should be for this time of year. Over on the Gila Valley side of things, pretty close as well. In some cases, we're dealing with, pretty much all cases, for the most part, lower temperatures, at least for now. But again, that will change within the next few days. For tonight's forecast, you have this system kind of rolling through. It's already getting into northern Cali. And as we get on into mañana, this is where things get interesting for us. This is our wind maker, not to mention snowmaker for northern Arizona, even some rain in southern California, and even in the mountains going into San Diego as well. So here's what we're expecting as far as the futurecast goes. That trough's going to continue to stay put at least for the next few days, and then high pressure will start to develop beyond the fact. Now, as far as what we're looking at with your Metrocast, we are going to be dealing with a near normal night by 7 p.m. and even beyond the fact as we get to the midnight hour, even the overnight hours as well. And then we get to your air quality index brought to you by the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District. For the most part, we got good air quality. And for your extended forecast, we are going to see those temperatures stay in the 70s, and then we'll rise into the 80s. For the Imperial Valley, a similar temperature spectrum unfolds for us. We'll get pretty close to 90, though, guys, by next Tuesday.